Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to remove or delete Microsoft account from Windows 11 PC, laptop. Click Start, Settings, click Accounts. Click Your Info. Click Stop signing into all Microsoft apps automatically. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.